Save our planet.
Lethal algal bloom linked to more deaths in Brittany. 33 wild boars are the most recent victims thought to be poisoned by noxious gas emitted by algae on the normally beautiful tourist beaches in Brittany. With mountains of algal slime that have washed up on the coastline in the past weeks, 2 boar babies were discovered lifeless on July 7th, with the death toll since then continuing to rise.
The region has already been visited by similar disaster, with a worker who died in 2009 while clearing the seaweed and a horse that succumbed that same year within 30 seconds of entering a beach where the toxic seaweed was present, while his 27-year-old rider was rescued after losing consciousness to the fumes. Environmentalist Jean-François Picot noted that while this region of Brittany occupies just 5% of French agricultural land, it contains 60% of the nation's livestock pigs, 45% of the poultry, and 30% of the dairy farms. Meanwhile, the group Stop the Green Tides has called on the nation's army to remove the toxic sludge, while French newspaper Le Monde published a front-page editorial saying that the government should acknowledge agricultural and livestock pollution as the problem's real cause. Meanwhile, municipal officials have cordoned off beaches and issued warnings for people's safety.
Our appreciation for the French officials' protective measures and for the concerned voices of Stop the Green Tides and media, such as Le Monde. May everyone awaken to the lasting solution of animal-free fare for lives of harmony with nature that also restore the Earth's pristine beauty.
Save our planet. Officials from the U.S. states of Virginia and Maryland report in July 2011 that this year's dead zone in the Chesapeake Bay may become the largest ever, as pollution from agricultural runoff stimulates algae growth that removes oxygen from the water, causing the widespread death of aquatic life.
Warning news. In a study published in the July 28, 2011 issue of Occupational and Environmental Medicine, New Zealand researchers evaluating 114,000 death records find that people raised on livestock farms as well as adults working in the raising and slaughter of cattle are at significantly higher risk for developing blood cancers such as leukemia.